Behind every informed conservation decision, there is field data. And behind all this data, there are dedicated people, committed professional and citizen scientists, going out into nature year after year to record their observations for the benefit of science and conservation. World Migratory Bird Day 2026, with its theme, Every Bird Counts, Your Observations Matter, draws attention to the key contribution of citizen science to the conservation of migratory birds. Data from several monitoring schemes, strongly reliant on volunteers, are routinely used to assess the status of species listed under the African-Eurasian Migratory Waterbird Agreement. Among these monitoring schemes, I would like to highlight the International Waterbird Census, as it stands out as a particularly powerful example of a global monitoring effort largely driven by volunteers. By providing robust, long-term population data, the International Waterbird Census plays a critical role in informing policy decisions taken by the parties under the agreement. The data collected under this established international monitoring scheme for already 60 years is the very foundation for AEWA's Triennial Conservation Status Report, the key document that provides the basis for many policy decisions made under the treaty. It demonstrates how collective long-term monitoring, carried out by thousands of volunteers year after year, is generating a dataset that is instrumental in guiding conservation action for migratory waterbirds across the African-Eurasian flyways. As we celebrate World Migratory Bird Day 2026, and we mark the 60th anniversary of the International Waterbird Census this year, let us pay special tribute to the many dedicated people whose meticulous data collection has supported international conservation efforts over the years. Their collective commitment is a true source of inspiration and hope. It reminds us that every bird counts and every observer makes a difference. Thank you to all who contribute their time and expertise to this important monitoring scheme. Alongside the many other citizen science efforts in the agreement area and around the world, your contributions help build the evidence base that supports science, informs policy decisions, and helps advance the conservation of migratory birds and their habitats across the world's flyways. I wish you all a happy World Migratory Bird Day 2026.